Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you the aloe vera gel soap. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got some fresh aloe vera leaf over here. I cut it from my aloe vera plant in my garden. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it open. Then with the help of my spoon, I'll just scrape out all the gel. Now I must say this has been washed very well. Make sure you get rid of that yellowish substance. Next, I will come in with my hand blender. I will just blend everything up to get rid of any lumps in it. Set this aside for later. I've got some melt and pour soap over here. I'm using about 150 grams, and as you can see, I've cut it into smaller pieces. I'll just put this in the ceramic bowl, then put it in my microwave oven and melt it up. So it has completely melted. I'll pour in my blended aloe vera gel. I'll give it a good mix. I'll come in with about a tablespoonful of coconut oil. Finally, I'll drop in a pinch of green mica powder. This will just add some, interesting color to the soap. So I've got my silicone molds over here. I'll go ahead and pour the melted soap into the silicone molds. I'll go ahead and let this set for about 24 hours. It's been after about 24 hours, and as you can see, it is hard. Our soap is ready. I'll just go ahead and get it out of the silicone mold. I must say I'm really loving this green color. So this is how to use it. You dip it in a little bit of water and just rub it on your affected area, on your face, or even on your body. If I'm using this on my face, I like to leave it on for about a minute. Afterwards, just rinse it off with lukewarm water. As you can see, it doesn't leave the skin dry. It's very, very hydrating and it soothes the skin. As you can see, the mica powder has some, shimmer to it, so it gives the soap that shimmery look. This can be used as an everyday facial and body soap. As you know, aloe vera has so many good properties when it comes to the skin. It helps get rid of blemishes, it prevents acne, it gives you that smooth, elastic skin. If you're somebody who doesn't like the commercial soaps, this comes in very handy because you know what you put in and you know what is getting onto your skin. So this is it, guys, and I hope I did help you. If you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.